Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're continuing our exploration of the Morphe Jaclyn Hill vault. I already have 3 videos about this. I'll link them throughout this video, and then I'll also put them all down in the description bar. I already have a video using the Bling Boss palette and the Ring the Alarm palette. So let's do Dark Magic today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I'd appreciate it if you did so. I've been getting really into eyeshadow tutorials. They make me happy. So let's get into some Dark Magic. I primed my eyelids using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. For today's look, we're going to be going in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Master Collection brush set. I did a video doing a full face using these brushes, which I'll link right here if you're interested in seeing that. First, I'm going to take the shade Poof on the JH30. It's the fluffiest eyeshadow blending brush in the set. And it's really not much different from my skin tone, but it's a good transition shade and a good shade to set the primer. I'm going to take kind of a cool tone brown. I'm still pretty inexperienced with cool tones. I've done a lot more cool tone looks recently than I have ever in my life. Ow. Apparently eyebrow waxing makes me break out. It sucks. Next I'm going to take Busted on the JH36. And ever so gently blend that through the crease. I'm a little nervous. Blues are so scary. I don't know why I get my eyebrows waxed. My skin hates it. I'm going to take Inside Job on the JH37. It's a little bit shorter than the 36. Blending with the 30. So far, so good. I'm getting just a little bit of shedding from the brushes, which is pretty normal for a new brush set. I've had worse. Next, I'm going to take the JH41, and I'm going to go in with Power Cut. A little bit on a finger, just to intensify the color. I'm going to take a little bit more of Inside Job, just to deepen the outer corner a little bit more. And then just the tiniest touch of Temptress. Little. Black scares the hell out of me. I'm really bad at it. I've had very little practice. And blend. Blend. I'm going to put on my base makeup and probably my brows, and then I'll be back. We'll do the under eye. I like it so far. It's different. Okay, we are back. Brows are done. Foundation and under eye is set. And now, I'm going to take Mojo on the JH37. The tiniest bit of Inside Job. And on the tiniest little pencil brush, the JH39, I'm going to take a little bit of Temptress, that black shade. Just gonna blend it all out. I'm gonna do my eyeliner and my mascara and the rest of my face, and I'll be back to show you guys how it went. Okay, we're on selfie mode. I'm sorry if the quality is different. I forgot to highlight, so I'm going to take VIP from the Armed and Gorgeous palette.
On the cutest brush in the whole set.
It's the JH42. She's cute. I like it. There we go. Look at that glow. Pretty. This brush is perfect for that. Absolutely perfect for that. Now I'm going to finish everything up and I'll be right back. Alright. I'm done. I love how it turned out. The Dark Magic palette from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault has my stamp of approval. That's 3 for 3. Next one will be the Armed and Gorgeous palette. I promise I'll use more than just the highlight shade from it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that little subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it so you can get notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!